Hello, Team Kaibigang Oso! Tara, kwentuhan tayo at kumain dito sa The Meat House sa BF Resort kung saan premium ang kanilang beef and meat at kung ano-ano pa. At syempre, ayan, ang saya-saya namin dyan. Pero guys, take note, eat in moderation kasi before coming here ay nagpunta kami a day before sa isa pang kainan at naparami aming kain, so back to back na kain yon. And the next day, ayun, sumama ang aming tiyan. So wag ganun guys, everything talaga should be in moderation. Wag sobra-sobra, wag extra-extra. Dapat yung sakto lang para naman hindi tayo magkakasakit o mas stress out. So, ayun lang naman. Tignan nyo guys, napakaganda, napakasarap tignan, diba? And exciting. So, what are you waiting for? Drop by here at the Meat House. Take care guys. Bye!